soldering. So, for today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay SMD Rework Hot Air Station Set. Model Hanstar 858 LCD. So, guys, i-unbox natin siya. So, guys, meron siyang kasamang manual. Ayan ang kanyang manual. Gusto natin. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan siya. Guys, ito ang ating manual. So, next, pakita na namin sa inyo yung pinaka-unit ng Hanstar 858 LCD. So guys, ito yung station. Hot air station. Ito yung mga kasama. Tapos guys, ito yung dito natin sasalpak tong sa likod. Ito yung likod niya, guys. Ayan, guys. Then, lalagyan natin siya ng adapter. So guys, lalagyan natin siya ng adapter. Ito guys, yung kasama niyang nozzle. Tapos ito naman guys, yung hawakan ng ating, tapos ito yung ating hot air handle. Lalagay natin siya dito. So dito natin siya ilalagay. Kaya may nakikita yung tornilyo. Tatanggalin niyo siya. Then ikakabit ko yung handle. So guys, ikakabit natin tong ito yung ikakabit natin yung hot air handle. So guys, alisin natin tong tornilyo. Mabilis lang naman siyang ikabit. So, tanggal natin. Then, ang next, kakabit natin itong hot air handle. Kasi kinakabit na natin yung tornilyo. Guys, ito naman kabila para makakit yung ating handle. Yan. Okay na siya guys. Nakabit na natin. Nakabit na natin yung hot air handle. Yan siya, guys. So, guys, dito natin ilalagay yung hot air holder. Ayan siya, guys. So guys, what is the use of 858 LCD? A Hanstar 858 LCD SMD rework hot air station is a tool used to repair electronic circuit boards. It blows controlled hot air to melt solder on small electronic parts, SMD components, allowing you to remove or install them. Simple uses. Number 1. Remove damaged SMD chips, resistors, capacitors, and ICs from a circuit board. Number 2. Solder new SMD components onto a board. Number 3. Repair mobile phones, laptops, TVs, game consoles, and other electronics. Number 4. Heat shrink tubing and other light heating jobs. How it works. Number 1. Set the desired temperature, typically 100 to 450 degrees Celsius. Number 2. Adjust the air flow. Number 3. Point the hot air nozzle at the component. Number 4. The solder melts, allowing the part to be removed or installed. A regular soldering iron works well for larger joints, but many modern electronic parts are very small and have pins on multiple sides. A hot air workstation heats the whole component evenly, making SMD repairs much. Example, if a charging IC on a phone motherboard is faulty, use the Hanstar 858 LCD to heat the IC. Lift the old IC off the board. Place a new IC and heat it again until the solder melts and connect. The Hanstar 858 LCD is a controlled hot air tool used for removing and soldering tiny electronics components on circuit boards. So guys, yan ang ating Hanstar SMD Reworks Station. Model Hanstar 858 LCD. So guys, iti-test naman natin siya. So guys, sasaksak na natin. Tapos guys, hot air holder din. Sasaksak din natin. So guys, dito nyo siya isasalpak. Ayan guys. Then, open na natin siya. So guys, dito yung kanyang on and off. Yan guys, ang kanyang on and off. Yung pula. Ayan, ayan. Para makita nyo pagbukas. Yan guys. Ayan eh. Nakikita nyo guys. Ay, nakikita nyo na under yung working siya. Then, yun siya guys. Ayan guys, nainit siya. So guys, ito ang ating hot air rework station model Hanstar 858 LCD. So guys, ito yung ano niya. Dito kayo magsiset. Kung kung anong ayan siya guys. Ayan siya guys. Yan ang ating Hanstar Reverse Hot Air Station Hanstar 858 LCD. Naamay ko siya. Ayan, nainit na siya. So guys, yan ang ating Hanstar 858 LCD. So ayun lang guys. So guys, meron pala kaming stock dito sa shop. So ayun lang. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok. Thank you.